Hey there, welcome to my car. So I just put one of these on the driver's seat. I'm going to do it on the passenger seat so you can see how easy these drop stops are to install. It's so smart, so genius. I mean, how many times have we all dropped our cell phone and fished it out for like 10 minutes? I still have French fries down here from I don't know how long ago that no matter what vacuum I use, I can't get them out. So finally bought these from a friend's recommendation and I'm so excited. So all you do is you get in the opposite seat. So I'm in obviously the opposite seat. Lean this back as far as it can go. And then you take the seat belt, there's a little hole right here. And you're going to put that through. So that should have like a universal fit right there. And then just kind of push, push, push everything in. And then this is all stretchy, so you just stretch it as far as it will go. Stretch it, stretch it, stretch it. And then tuck it. And everything, if you were to drop it, should just stay. And it does. Nothing can get through the little gap now, which is so awesome. And then of course you'll just lean this seat back up and you are set. Plus it came with all these little extras. I put this little sticky pad up here in case I wanted to use that. If I want to put like my remote or something like that, that works. And then it also even came with this little flashlight for your car. Or I guess that might be just to check and see that you don't have any gaps. Super cool. I'm loving it so far. I think you're gonna love it too.